Can we deny the fact that the development of our own body in the darkness of mother's womb for 9 months? No, we can't. All our internal organs are too functioning in the same darkness only and will continue to do so. And so we shouldn't forget the basics of life in the stupefying dazzle of modern electricity. Here is a superb example for less noticeable modern superstition. We feel ourselves as someone has convinced us to feel encroaching into darkness of nights as a great achievement when it isn't actually so. We visualize that electric lighting has made humanity win over dark nights, but in fact artificial light is winning over our body organs only. Look at modern world from a satellite at night and it glitters with colorful lights with billions of wasted energy dollars. Nobody meant this to happen when it's having such a devastating effect on our health and also in the health and existence of other creatures. Our biological rhythms are evolved to take advantage of both bright days and dark nights. Concrete houseplants reduce lighting during daytime and electricity increases lighting during night times. Slap on both phases. As educated ones, we know the maintenance of circadian rhythms is compulsory to get balanced healthy life. We also know that they influence many of our internal body processes like body temperature, enzymic activities, hormonal balance, hunger cycles, and internal energy levels. But the human body biological clock is being drastically affected due to powerful radiation of short wavelengths in artificial light. Now we can study some of the advantages of dark nights is contrary to that of bright nights created by the business world. Darkness heals human health. 1. A number of health and environmental problems can be solved with darkness. 2. Darkness prevents light pollution and its consequential maladies. 3. The presence of true continuous darkness enhances both the quality and quantity of our sleep. On the other hand, fluorescent lights from electric bulbs, tablets and cell phones keep us awake the most. But red and yellow lights from candlelight lamps are naturally dimmer and so do not affect much. Anyhow, darkness in the bedroom is always safer while sleeping. 4. In darkness, fight-or-flight hormone or adrenaline is not activated much, so stress mechanism is properly controlled. Owing to less stress and depression, more immunity against diseases will be developed. 5. Darkness reduces constipation, stomach ulcers, heart diseases and different kinds of cancer also. 6. If we get the sweet zone of 7 to 8 hours sleep, we feel ourselves comfortable, peaceful and with strong ability to think clearly. 7. We can improve cognitive skills, memory power, proper communication and consistent mood without auditory or visual hallucinations during the day. This is very much important for students and their teachers. School and college management should understand this biological and psychological logic behind studies. 8. Dark nights with sound sleep avoid facial wrinkles, skin blemishes, acne, but increases sex drive. 9. Other very serious disorders can be prevented due to dark nights like obesity, diabetes, fibromyalgia, Alzheimer's disease, etc. 10. During dark nights more Dracula hormone or melatonin is produced. Low levels of melatonin is associated with certain cancers. Melatonin checks cancer cells from growing atrophy. Further, 11. Different kinds of cancers like blood cancer, leukemia, breast cancer, colorectal cancer, prostate cancer, etc. can be prevented due to sufficient darkness during nights. 12. Females in prolonged darkness during nights are competitively less prone to breast cancer. 13. Dark nights let children sleep very well and hardly get blood cancer called leukemia. 14. Males who prefer dark nights and less artificial lights have less chances of getting prostate cancer. 15. It is estimated that nearly 40% of Americans sleep less than 7 hours per night. We call it insomnia. This may be probably due to lack of continuous darkness during nights along with overuse of electrical and electronic devices. 16. Darkness keeps rods on retina of eyes functioning. It keeps eyes at rest after a day-long vigorous work. Resting eyeballs keep related brain and remaining nerve cells to at rest to revigorate the entire body system for the next day's work. Darkness activates animals. 1. The immune systems of animals grow strong if there's no artificial light at night. 2. A number of insects, birds and animals are active during dark nights to eke out their living, like hunting the prey and mating, besides conserving energy and water in the body. 3. Dark nights keep populations of different animal species on the earth safer, else they may become extinct. 4. Millions of migratory birds can be saved from dying if nights are kept dark. Darkness blossoms plants. 1. A number of plants open their flowers only in or with a continuous period of darkness without any intermittent artificial light. 2. A number of plants are pollinated by nocturnal insects, birds and animals only during dark nights. This in turn decides the quality and quantity grains and fruits and their dependence in the food chain. Darkness greens the environment. 1. Less mining is required to manufacture electrical wires, appliances and bulbs or tuber lights. 2. Less number of electricity projects are required. Thereby destruction of hilly tracts, forests, rivers and other water bodies can be minimized. 3. No need of nuclear reactors to generate electricity and thereby no nuclear accidents or radioactive fallouts. Darkness enriches economy. 1. We can save billions of dollars from wasting on streetlights by keeping nights dark. 2. We can save billions of dollars from wasting on constructing hydroelectric projects, their maintenance, dredging and flash floods due to breaches in dams. 2. We can save billions of dollars being spent on health bills aggravated due to load pollution and related diseases. Whether modern technology is pushing us towards development or destruction is a question least answered. Whether all this development is for well-being of humanity or business community is a big doubt, yet it's to be clarified to the public. All the educated members of the society could analyze and understand the hidden agendas of business and try to hand over clean environment, healthy blood and good habits to future generations. We can't any longer toy with our body clocks to bring severe risk to ourselves, our children and grandchildren's well-being.